guys, I'm making soap today. Yes, so this is first time I'm making soap, so let's see how it goes. Here I bought ready-made soap. All I have to do is just melt it, add colors and add some fragrance, and then my soap's ready. Okay, so I bought this from a Michael's store. I'm sure you can get something like this from any of ooh, okay. So I bought the white one so I can add any color here. Okay, so I was saying that you can buy any kind of soap like this, ready-made one, from any of the craft store. I'm pretty sure that all the craft store have this. Alright, and I'm also gonna use these colors. Now these colors are, it says purple, lime, I think this one is lime color, I don't know. Okay, let me open this because I'm not sure. These colors I'm gonna be using. I'll show you how it looks like when we melt this and when we add these colors in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this and I'm gonna transfer this to other containers. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna use for the mold. So I just received this the other day, and let me show you. So it looks like this. So there is this silicone mold, and there is this like wooden thing outside for the, so that the soap really hold the shape. I also have this one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna use this today or not, but let's see if I have any extra soap left. When I pour in here, I can just transfer that to this mold here. Ooh, this one is really steady, like, you know. Okay. Oh, yep, I'm gonna need this. So these are the colors, and this one, I'll show you how to use this one when I am done with my soap. But basically you can just very easy to cut, like, you know, you just add a soap here, put it here, and then boom. Okay, so I'm gonna use this later. Okay, just gonna come right off. I hope so that it's easy to cut. If not, then we have to figure something out. Woohoo! Okay, like that. Okay, so now let me cut this. I'm gonna use my cutter. Let's see. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, look at this. Cut in a small batches, I guess. Should cut that like that, but I don't know why I did that. Oh. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna put it in here. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna use for now, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I still can see a little bit of chunk in here, so I did 30-second first and then another 30-second. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep mixing like this and see if this melt, because I can feel it's kind of hot. So I mean warm, it's not too hot. Okay, so I'm gonna put this for another 30 seconds. So I only did like 30 seconds and it looks like this. So I'm gonna put this for another 30 seconds. Okay, so I can see I still need to put this for another maybe 10 seconds. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, this is done. This looks like good. I still need to mix this. Okay, so now I'm gonna add these colors. Now let's see which colors this one is. Okay, so I believe these two colors are same. It says lime and this one says purple. Okay, so I don't know why these two colors are same. I was hoping that the third one is different, right? But these two are same colors. Okay, so let me just make this one kind of purple. And okay, started already. Okay, let me just keep mixing this, and I'm gonna add these colors. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add about, like, you know, maybe let's say I'm just gonna start with maybe 2 drops. I have no idea. As I said before, like, this is first time I'm making this, so I have no idea. Okay, maybe I want to add more because I don't want to make this looks kind of, you know, transparent. So I don't want this to look transparent, so I'm gonna add more colors. Lime, it's kind of a green, so okay. So here is what I'm gonna use. It's kind of a rubbing alcohol. Okay, so now do you see these bubbles right here? I just put this rubbing alcohol in my spray bottle, and I just like to kind of spray 1 or 2 times when I mix this, so that, you know, there are no bubbles in my soap. So now I'm gonna add my fragrance here. You can use any fragrance you like. I'm gonna use lemongrass for this green. Okay, and lavender for the purple. So now I'm just gonna use like very simple technique here, but there are so many, like, you know, ways you can create your own design, but I'm just gonna keep it very simple. Before I pour any soap in here, what I like to do is you know, add a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Okay, generous amount. Okay, now I'm gonna start pouring this these colors one by one, just a little bit, not too much, just a bit. Okay, next color I'm gonna use is a purple. Okay, same thing I'm gonna do with the plain white. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep repeating this step. Okay, so at this point I realized that I am making it like big mess here, because it's not gonna turn out how I thought it will be. But so yeah, so here I stop and I use the extra soap on the other mold. I'll show you in a second. But
I'll show you. This is a big fail. Okay, so let me just skip this part.
I want to get rid of these bubbles, so I'm just going to use my alcohol, my rubbing alcohol, and see the magic. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour this white first.
And now I'm adding this purple just on the one side of the mold, so something like this, just on one side. Trust me, this is gonna turn out much better than the first one I show you. So I also wanted to show you how I fail. You know, I don't make everything perfect every time. So here I'm just adding this lavender seeds here, flower maybe. It's from my backyard. So okay, so it's around like a couple hours now, and I'm just gonna unmold these, and I'm pretty sure that this one turned out really like better than the other one for sure. So this is how it looks like. I mean, I like it so far. It depends on what type of soap you choose. So here my husband is like, I want to smell it because it smells so good. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna use this cutter to just cut it, and I like it. What do you think? So I cut this in 4, and I'm not gonna sell this. I'm just gonna use it for myself. So yeah, I like to cut it in smaller pieces. So these are looking really pretty. I really like that that I use the like a lavender on top, just to just to decorate it a little bit, and I really like this so far. So from now maybe I'm gonna make soap for myself. I think I love this one. Okay, so here is second one. I'm just gonna unmold this, and I'm gonna do this very quickly. So normally when others use this type of mold, they just fill the whole mold all the way to the top, and they get like enough soap. But to be honest, I didn't really want to make so many soaps, so I just used like half of it. I mean, I just poured this soap on just half of the mold, and now I'm just gonna cut this. But if you fill it all the way to the top, you can definitely make some more designs, more swirls maybe. But I am not so proud of this soap that I just made. So here I cut those in the smaller pieces, and I'm gonna put this bag on that mold one more time, and then I'm gonna add some more soap. So I'm just gonna add this plain white soap. So here I melted it, and I'm just gonna pour it like this. So as you can see, there is still some space between those soap, but I'm just gonna fill it everything with white, and after that dry, so I let it dry for like an hour, and now I'm just pouring that ugly looking soap and I melted that one more time and add more purple color there, and I just pour that on top of that white. So now what hopefully I'm thinking, I hope that when I unmold this I can see 2 colors. I hope so. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna unmold this again. I let this dry for like couple hours, and I can at least see 2 colors here. So that's why I told you that I am not sure what I'm doing here in the beginning. So there is like trial and error, so you just have to do it to learn, right? So I can see at least 2 colors here now. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I don't know how it looks right now, but it smells so good. Okay, so now here I'm gonna use this cutter here. Most of the people who make soaps to sell, they use this kind of tools, and here is this like a simple cutter, and there is this little slit you can see. I'm just gonna put it on those slit and then just cut it. So again, I'm just gonna cut this in like smaller pieces because I'm gonna use it for myself, and I'm gonna put it on my all the showers. So yeah, so I really like these other cutters where you can see those, you know, little kind of different design than just a plain square. You know what I mean. Okay, so now yeah, here, all done. What do you think? I mean, I hope you can smell this smells so good. I hope you can smell this, but I just use mostly lavender lavender fragrance and also lemongrass fragrance. Those two are really good. Okay, so yeah, I'm all done. Let me know what you think. I know I'm not so proud of this soap, trust me, I'm not, but I will definitely make another video where I hope that I can make it much better than what it looks like right now. Okay, so don't afraid to do something new. Okay, so I always say this, even if you are not sure, just do it and you can learn from your mistake. So yeah, here I had like so much fun making this soap, me and my husband both. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. And I'm also gonna put the link down below of all the product that I used today, including the mold, the cutters, and also the link of the soap that I use. It was again from Michael's, but I'm definitely sure you can find so many other type of soap, but I just like this type of soap much better because it really goes well with my skin. So that's why I made this kind of soap. So I definitely like the one color soap so far. I'm not so again proud of that second one, but here how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think about this, and I hope you have fun watching this video. And if you do, make sure you give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some fun and crazy DIY videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time whenever I make something new or I paint. Alright, take care. Bye.